Hello, I'm Ron Hendershot. Thank you for taking the time to view this introduction, Historic Virginia City, Queen of the Comstock Lode. Mention the word Virginia City to anyone over the age of 45, and they will quite possibly conjure up memories of Ben, Little Joe, Adam, and Hoss as they would ride every week into the town of Virginia City for a well-earned drink at the Silver Dollar Saloon. After putting the bad guys either in jail or in the ground, Virginia City is much more than a forgotten Hollywood backlot. It rests in a spectacularly beautiful desert setting on top of over 700 miles of silver mines, shafts, and tunnels. It's only 25 miles southeast of Reno, and today offers us an amazing opportunity to step back in time and visit a living relic of the Old West with a significant and relevant story to tell. Springing up as a boomtown in 1859, thanks to the discovery of the Comstock Lode, this was the first major silver deposit to be found in the United States. The city's population peaked in the 1870s to over 25,000 residents. Its decline started when Congress passed and Ulysses S. Grant signed the Coinage Act of 1873, demonetizing silver and moving our country to a gold standard. Today, Virginia City has about 855 residents working almost entirely in the tourist industry. After his first visit, Samuel Clemens wrote, "Even the devil would be homesick in Nevada." He then went on to become Virginia City's most famous early resident. Clemens wrote for the Territorial Enterprise newspaper under his famous pen name, Mark Twain. The Queen of the Comstock, the richest place on earth, the financer of the Civil War, and the reason Nevada became a state are all exaggerations, but also reasonable statements describing Virginia City. Our course includes visitation options to the St. Mary's Church, mine tours, Piper Opera House, and others. You might even choose to ride the recently reopened V&T Railroad from Carson to Virginia City. I should also mention that our course is very flexible. We want to be able to structure it to best meet your individual needs. Please feel free to call me to discuss options. Thanks again for watching this course introduction.